Hey guys, what's up? Danny, Josh here. Let 'em fly bow fishing. Getting ready to head out for the night. Sun just went down. We got a really low tide right now. Very, very low tide actually. That should actually help concentrate some of the fish in the deeper pockets. So hopefully we'll be able to hunt them down, have some good luck tonight, and let's see what we can do. Oh, that's a nice size mullet right there.
A nice starting mullet.
There we go, first one of the night. Back to the wind. So. Nice. Nice. Oh, dude, that's nice. Look at that guy. Yep, he's jumping still.
He really
great shot.
Out of the water.
Dude, that is a huge mullet.
Oh my goodness. Can I shoot him?
What is it? Stingray.
Oh my gosh.
A mullet just jumped in the boat. You shot a stingray.
I missed him. Wait, no, I went right through him.
Sometimes bow fishing can be difficult. Sometimes they just jump right in the boat. I mean, maybe they felt bad, but that's his fault. Oh, that was straight under the boat. Oh.
I just saw a parrot, dude.
You probably just destroyed your arrow. Wow.
I did it again.
I mean, that's not legal size, buddy. Should I keep that on the video or no?
No.
Okay. Maybe for us. There was a mom and a dad, and you shoot the baby. The other two are huge, man. The other two are huge. You got him? Oh, there we go. Nice. Hey, direct kill shot. He's dead.
Yeah.
He is completely dead. Right there. That is massive, dude.
As big as he said.
Holy cow.
Yeah. Got him. Did not. Are you serious?
Don't worry, got it on camera. Can you open your eyes? What is that? Another black drum? She said? Yeah. Ooh, what a shot!
He's running.
Ugh, what a shot, dude!
Come back.
Oh yeah! Look at that guy, dude.
These are some big sheep.
Dang, dude, that was a good shot. Oh my goodness. That's a crazy shot, dude. I think he's dead.
Yeah, popped his eyeball out.
I think he's dead. Oh, should try not to
How many more?
Did you get him with the remora?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, Josh. That might be a personal best right there, buddy. How's that for a shot, Josh? Look at that right through the head. Alright guys, made it back in. Pretty interesting night. We had somebody call the cops on us, thinking what we were doing was illegal. Josh actually fell in the water. We may have had that in the reel that you guys just watched. So let's go ahead and just show you what our catch looks like today. Start throwing these guys on here. I don't think we have time to fillet them here, but we'll go ahead and get them all out, clean them up, throw them back in the cooler, and we'll fillet them up tomorrow. Didn't really get any nice black drum or anything, but we got a whole bunch of sheep's head, tons of mullet. I think that might be a personal best, possibly right there, or the one right next to it is. I think we got maybe too many fish, possibly. That's okay. They're always quick to pass them out to people who want them. And there you have it. We got six sheep's head and a whole bunch of mullet. So pretty good night. Awful lot of cleaning I gotta do. I think I'm gonna invest in an electric knife because this is gonna take a while. Appreciate it, guys, and let them fly.